Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 7.1 first problem. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. What is the distance formula? First tell me children. Distance formula D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is the formula to find the distance between two points. Distance between 2 points. Clear children? So now I am going to find the distance between the 2 points. Okay. So first what you have to write the points 2, 3 and 4, 1. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Write this one and apply in the formula. Distance D is equal to root of x2 is 4, x2 minus x1 is 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, then root of, first simplify this bracket. 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 2 is 1 minus 3 is minus 2 the whole square. Write the bracket. You have a negative sign, so write the bracket and then square this one. Okay, so 2 square is 4 and minus 2 is also 4 because minus into minus is plus. So 4 plus 4 is what? 8. 8 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2. So from these two we can take 1 to outside. So the answer is 2 root 2. The answer is 2 root 2. So the distance between the pairs of points, distance between the points, 2 points is 2 root 2. Next, second subdivision problem. A comma B minus A comma B. First write the formula. D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, and then write the points A comma B minus A comma minus B. Write which one is x1? x1, y1, x2, y2. And then now apply in the formula. D is equal to root of x2 is minus A minus x1 is A the whole square plus y2 is minus B and minus B the whole square. Okay, so minus A will be minus 2A the whole square. Minus A minus 2A. So minus A, both the signs are same. So you have to add 1 plus 1 is 2A. Bigger number sign is negative. So minus 2A plus minus 2B the whole square. Now square this one. 4A square plus 4B square. 4 is common in both the terms, so I am going to take it out. So 4A square plus B square. 4 how we can write children? 2 into 2. A square plus B square. And then from this we can take 1, 2 outside. The remaining will be inside the bracket only. Okay, so the answer is 2 root of A square plus B square. Clear children? So the distance between the 2 points is 2 root A square plus B square. A square plus B square. Clear, children? Actually, this is third subdivision problem. Now only I'm going to do the second subdivision problem. Clear? This is third subdivision problem. Next one, second subdivision problem is minus 5, 7, minus 1, 3. Children, tell me first what we have to write. What we have to write? x1, y1, x2, y2, and write the formula. D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, write the formula. And then substitute the values of x1, x2, y1, y2 in the formula. So D is equal to root of x2 is minus 1, x1 is minus 5. So minus of minus is 5 plus 5 the whole square minus plus y2 is 3 minus 7 the whole square. Then minus 1 plus 5 is 4 square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 the whole square. Then 4 square is 16. Then here 4 square is 16. So 16 plus 16 is 32. Take a prime find the prime factorization method. We have to find the factors. Okay, 2, 8, 4. So how we can write 32? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Totally 5 2's. From this 2 we can take 1, and from this 2 we can take 1. So 2 into 2 root 2. So the answer is equal to 4 root 2. Answer is equal to 4 root 2. Clear, children? 4 root 2 is the answer. Clear, all of you? So the distance formula is D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. All of you clear, children? Thank you. Namaste, students. Next, second problem in exercise 7.2. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Children, first in this problem I am going to denote the first point as A. A of 0, 0 and B of 36, 15. So I am going to find the distance of AB, the distance between AB. Okay. So first what we have to write? Formula. The distance D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Children, first you have to write the formula and box it. And then what you have to write? Which is x1? This is x1 and this is y1. x2, y2. And apply in the formula now. So the distance of AB. The distance of AB is equal to root of, which is x2, 36 minus 0 the whole square plus 15 minus 0 the whole square. So 36 minus 0 is 36 square plus 15 square. 36 square is what? 1296 plus 225. Add this to 1521. If you take a square root, what you will get? 39. So the distance between the points A and B is 39. Clear, children? Is there any doubt? Okay. Thank you.